In this episode, we're going to talk about subtraction story problems. Story problems, or word problems, are a few sentences that usually have a real-life problem that needs to be solved. When looking at a story problem, it's easiest when you break it down into smaller chunks to solve it. Let's try it with this problem. Ted made some cookies. Rebecca ate some cookies. What do we know so far about this problem? So far, we know that Ted has made some cookies and Rebecca ate some. Looking at this problem, do you think that we can solve this problem yet? You're right. We can't solve this problem because we don't have the numbers yet. So let's try this. Ted made 8 cookies. Rebecca ate some cookies. What new information do we have now? You're right. We know that Ted had made 8 cookies. We still can't solve this problem yet, though. We still need more information. Let's see. Ted made 8 cookies and Rebecca ate 3 cookies. What new information do we have now with this problem? You're right. We know that Rebecca ate 3 cookies. But we still can't solve this problem yet because we don't know what to do with the numbers. Let's take a look at this problem now. Ted made 8 cookies. Rebecca ate 3 cookies. How many cookies did Ted have left? What new information do we have now? You're right. We need to know how many cookies Ted had left after Rebecca ate 3. Have now means that we need to subtract. So, how many cookies did Ted have left? What do you think? You're right. He had 5 cookies left. When reading a story problem, it's always best to take it apart and look at it one sentence at a time. This makes it easier to figure out what you need to do. So next time you come across a story problem, try breaking it apart to get the answer. I hope you enjoyed this episode on solving story problems. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my TPT store for more lessons.